Okay. So let's just talk to the listener. Now, obviously, you name several different platforms. Some of them are high profile, some of them a little bit smaller, some of them were large and smaller now. But ideally, if you're giving a recommendation, what should a person look for in their email marketing program?
So they need to know, first of all, how many contacts do they have or do they plan on getting within that next year? They need to know that just because a lot of these platforms charge based on audience size.
Mhm.
The other things they'll want to look at is what are they actually planning to do? I mean, what are their goals for the year? Is it just to send emails? Then maybe you don't need a bigger platform that's meant to integrate with a CRM and all of these other things. Um, they need to think about more so, do they have a lot of other third party systems that they're using? And if they are using a lot of third party systems, maybe for events or a CRM or just, an e-commerce platform, do they want all of that to be seen in one place? Because you can integrate all of those systems into your email platform, depending on which one you pick. So it's mainly audience size and what's the bigger picture for the rest of the year.
Okay.
And you have a lot of things that you need to see in one place versus clicking all over the place to go into 5 different systems.
So let's spin this back and ask you the question as you're the avatar, right? Like, what tool do you use on a day to day basis that you would not be able to do what you're doing without having access to?
Definitely Pardot for sure. I use MailChimp a lot as well. Um, and I also use a lot of third-party services. So I use I use a platform for all of my contracts and proposals. And then I have another platform for all of my calendar scheduling. So I want all of those systems to be talking to each other so that I don't have to know, oh my gosh, I forgot to open this application the other day, so I have no idea what's going on with my contracts. So for me, it's a lot of MailChimp and Pardot for sure.